Okay, what I've done to repair this car is I went ahead and put 3 coil packs on it. These are the coil packs. 1, 2, 3. I just replaced them the other day because I went out to start the car, and when I did, there was no light. It did not turn. It turned over, but it didn't start. So it was running fine until then. So I went ahead and picked up 3 coil packs from AutoZone. Instead of trying to figure out which one went bad, I just went ahead and get rid of them all because they were all the same age. This car's got 350,000 miles on it. I bought it with high miles because it was a nice looking car, and I was able to bring it back into pretty good condition. So I think the other symptoms of these going out was one time it shut off on me for no reason, but it lit right back up. And that was, I'd say, about a month ago. I kind of thought something was going on with the ignition switch, because why else would it just shut off like that? But I haven't had a problem since. When I replace these, it starts a lot faster. The way I did it was, there's 2 bolts holding each of those coil packs on. There's one on this side and one on that side. You can use a nut driver or a small ratchet because it's really not a very big bolt, and there's not a lot of torque on it. So I went ahead and did them all at the same time. I took off this one, that one, that one, that one, that one, that one. Leave the coil packs on there, and then you go ahead and pull them off one by one and replace, the 2 plug wires that go to this one. And then there's a little rubber washer down here that you need to replace. It comes with the new ones. And it just keeps the seal between the coil pack and the backing plate right here. And then just go ahead and put that one back on, then remove the 2 that go to this one, and go ahead and put that one back on, and then remove the 2 that go to this one, and then go ahead and put that one back on. And then you go ahead and stick all your bolts back in, tighten them up. And then that's how you replace your coil packs on your 3.8 liter Series 2 V6 that's in my Bonneville, my 2001 Bonneville. So that's what I've done to this. It did take care of the problem. After I installed them, it started right back up. So that was the issue. So that's how you repair a car that doesn't start if it's got a 3.8 Series 2 V6 in it. They used this engine for quite a while. So that's what I did to repair this car. And it's proven to work, or I wouldn't be making the video.